So when using any AI or Claude in our case, it is good to actually go ahead and give it specific prompts to get specific results. So you need to go ahead and remember these 4 keywords. So you need to go ahead and remember that we have to give a role to Claude or any AI for that matter. Then we need to give the actual task after that. And then we need to go ahead and give a context and then finally a format right here. So the role I'm going to say is, let's say I want to go ahead and write down a travel blog related to places in Yangon, let's say for example. So I'm just going to go around and say you are a young and energetic modern traveler right here, just like this. So this is what you have. So young and energetic modern traveler blogger, let's say for example right here. So now based on that, I want to write a blog post. I'm just going to go around and say so based on that experience, write a travel blog of places to visit in Yangon right here, just like this. So now I want to give it a context right here. So the context would be, let's say I want to visit modern places in Yangon only. So I'm just going to go around and say don't focus on let's say traditional places, but modern places places to visit in Yangon right here, just like this. So I want to go ahead and say don't focus on traditional places like temples and let's say for example pagodas right here, but focus on modern places to visit in Yangon right here. And then I'm going to give it a format. So I'm just going to go around and say write the blog in 4 paragraphs, where first paragraph is introduction and last paragraph is, let's say for example, conclusion. And I'm going to say make the blog around let's say for example right here around 1,000 words long right here. So now this is a specific prompt. So I gave it a role right here. So I'm telling that you are a young, energetic, modern travel blogger. And so based on that right here, that experience, write a travel blog to visit visit places in Yangon right here. And I'm giving it a particular context. So I am saying don't focus on traditional places like temples and pagodas, which is usually where people visit. And then I'm giving it a format at the end, saying write the blog in 4 paragraphs, where first paragraph is introduction and last paragraph is conclusion, and make the blog around 1,000 words long. So once you do that, what happens is that it'll actually go ahead and then understand the content in detail. So now if I were to go ahead and hit send right here, then what happens is that it'll go ahead and then, let's say for example, read this out. So you can see that this is what you have. So it's reading the front-end design skill. It's actually exploring out the content right here and searching for places like modern places as travel blogger right here. And now it says, let me create a beautiful design travel blog artifact right here. So you can see that this is what you have. It's still going ahead and then researching out the content right here, just like this, by searching around the internet. And then this is what you have, as you can see. So it says Yangon, Myanmar right here. So it's actually going around over here, and it says let me be honest right here. And then now what it is doing is writing out a blog for me. So you can see that this is a blog right here, just like this. So there's the sky bar at Sakura Tower. So you can see that this is what you have. So you got the title right here. You got the let's say for example modern travel. You got space right here. Then you got all of these right here. You got the coffee places. You got the sky high shopping mad. You can see that there's a Rangoon Tea House, After Dark Lane, bytes and boss, and then by sticking on to what I actually said, it went ahead and generated this out. So you can see that it is writing in it in about 1,000 words right here. So you can see that you just need to go ahead and wait right here. So this is what you have, as you can see. So there's the modern travel blogger right here, as you can see, and this is what you have. So now it says that here's your travel blog in like, let's say, for example, 4 paragraphs right here, just like this. And then this is what you have. So you got the introduction, you got paragraph 2, paragraph 3, conclusion, and it says the blog clocks in just around 1,000 words. And this is basically how you can go ahead and write out specific prompts in Claude to get specific results as you like, which is a step ahead from giving just simple prompts to get the results that you want. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.